Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. We're looking at printing and paper usage in your business. But first, let me tell you a little bit of a story. I used to run a local business IT support team, and we used to make lots of money from printer repairs. Most of the time, it was because clients had bought cheap refilled ink cartridges. And each time they bought new ink, they bought from the cheapest supplier. But very soon, we had their printer on a work table because the different inks had reacted with each other and clogged up the jets, costing the owner lots of money. But look at the numbers below, and you may realize there's a much cheaper and easier way to get ink. Many printer manufacturers now supply ink on demand. I used to buy 2 sets of high-volume ink cartridges each year. The cost per set was usually around £100. But now I subscribe to Ink on Demand, and the manufacturer sends me ink before I run dry. Cost per month, £3.49. That adds up to just under £42 per year. So a lot cheaper. Printing costs a lot of money. So just to save those little pennies, which add up into pounds, print on both sides of the paper. And if your eyesight can cope, print 2 pages each side. One piece of paper showing 4 printed pages. This may sound so simple, but it all adds up to big savings for your business. So, I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save energy, save money at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.